Hey guys, we did a lot of other little things to the truck. Well, not little, some bigger. But it was so hot and we kept having to take so many breaks, I didn't film all of it. So we did do, I'll tell you guys and show you, we did do the 2-inch leveling kit on the front, right there. This spot is the 2-inch kit is in there. Truck slot. Yes, now the truck has auto start. We're going to try to go to the track tonight and take the truck and get some numbers.
There he goes to get ready to race, J.K. Gould.
Woo! Thank you, honey. Excuse me. If you would, please subscribe to the video, like the video, share the video. I'd really appreciate it. And that's it. Next video. See y'all.